How to fix your VRChat not loading. So we're gonna assume that you're stuck in your loading screen, similar to this one. What you're gonna have to do is go to your search bar, search for command prompt or CMD, and then run this as administrator. Just go ahead and agree and allow the app to make changes, and you're gonna have to get a command from VRChat itself. So just go ahead and search for VRChat Help Center and click on that. Once you do that, you should be able to be led here in their help center. But what you have to search for is this one. VRChat keeps crashing or has issues launching properly. Press on that and search, and you should be able to find something like this. Press on that, scroll down a bit, and you should be able to find the PC troubleshooting steps section. What you're gonna have to do here is find this one. Go ahead and copy by double clicking Ctrl+C, or you can right click and press and copy. Go back to your command prompt and just go ahead and paste it. Then press on enter. Then just go ahead and type in yes and then enter. So there, the operation will be completed successfully, and you can go ahead and try reopening your VRChat and see if it still loads or gets stuck in the loading screen when you try to open it. But hopefully this video does help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.